having snack time with Sanya. So, first we're going to eat a blue chip. Now time for yogurt. Actually, it's called a Danimals. And they're really good for you because they have strawberries. Is that right, Vlog? Good. Now we're gonna eat this! They're so good. So good. Now we're gonna have some cheese. Now is it time for a vlog?